You are watching Fort Fun New Height.
Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about the concept of dirty and clean. So let's go! Do you find it easy to identify that who is dirty in this picture? Yes, you are right. The boy is dirty and the girl is clean. Now let's look at this picture. Who do you think is dirty and who is clean? In this picture, the child covered in mud is dirty and the child crying the basket of clean laundry is clean. Moving on the next picture. Take a good look. Can you tell me who is dirty and who is clean? In this picture, the kids jumping in puddles are dirty, while the kids standing under the umbrella is clean. Now, let's examine this picture closely. Can you determine who is dirty and who is clean? In this picture, the child covered in soil is dirty, while the child wearing gloves and holding the watering can is clean. Take a look at this next picture. What do you think is dirty and who is clean? In this picture, the child covered in paint splatters is dirty, while the child wearing the smock and with clean hands is clean. Now, let's observe this picture carefully. Can you identify who is dirty and who is clean? In this picture, the child with ice cream smeared all over their face and hands is dirty, while the child holding the ice cream cone neatly is clean. Finally, let's look at this last picture. Who do you think is dirty and who is clean? In this picture, the child covered in sand is dirty, while the child sitting neatly on the side with clean hands and clothes is clean. Is not it our duty to keep our surroundings clean? Think and discuss with your mom. How can you help to keep surroundings clean?
Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please click subscribe, like and share. Bye kids.